Hi guys, it's me Coco. I'm 22, I'm French and I'm living in London. So welcome in Shoreditch. I use Shoreditch to do the first episode of my blog. This is Coco Cooking Channel. You know that I love food, you know that I love drink nice prosecco, wine, beer, whiskey, vodka and every single kind of alcohol. I'm not difficult. Anyway, this is the video, the first episode to introduce you in Shoreditch, where I'm gonna do some how can I say that, gonna meet a nice chef in a cafe, Thriers cafe in Shoreditch. I will let you know as soon as possible. We're gonna post some nice picture we make today. I'm looking forward to it and I know you're gonna enjoy it. Hi guys, it's me Coco. We are in one of my favorite spots in Shoreditch, is Austin Square. It's nice and quiet and then it's like beautiful day in London. That's the perfect place to be, right? So then we're gonna start by this water is from Iceland, yeah? It's from like 5,000 years. It's really nice. There is like, you know, like still water is like boring, yeah? But this one you should try it because like there is like nice calcium and magnesium stuff that you need, and you need especially because we are all in hangover the night before, so this is the best way to feel better. And there's my second advice, my little tip yet for you guys. This is the first thing, is fruity tea, and the tea is Eravita. Basically I just open the bags like that and then I just pour inside my Iceland water. There you go, this is the first step. You just pour inside. You close your bottle, you let it infuse a little bit, you shake. And in the same time, to wait for the herbs to be infused and to have the best active things, we're gonna have some nice protein bar. I love those one. Why? Because there is caramel, chocolate and little bit of coconut. Look at that, it sounds amazing and tasty. It's a bit like, how do you say, it's not calorie, right? It's low in calories, vegan stuff. You don't know. I have 100 of them. I can eat all of them in one day. Kind of red berries, strawberry inside. And now let's lay down and enjoy the nice weather of London. Hi guys, I'm standing right in front of the Rotate Cafe in Shoreditch. It's a nice bar, kitchen, restaurant inside. I'm gonna go and then ask them if they can make nice cocktail with my Princess Peak Prosecco. Hi.
Hello.
You're right.
Yeah, you?
Yeah, good, thanks. I came in your nice place because I have a favor to ask you. Do you don't mind to do a nice cocktail with my baby Princess Peak Prosecco?
Yeah, no worries.
It would be amazing. Thank you so much. I mean, I like something fruity, something fresh and nice because it's like hot weather today is London, so...
Like a mimosa?
Like a mimosa will be perfect.
And this one and freshly squeezed orange juice?
Yeah.
It's a good start to drink.
Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you.